If you've been researching furnace replacement, you've probably seen prices all over the map, anywhere from a few $1,000s to well over $10,000. That range can be frustrating, especially when you just want to know what your home might realistically cost. In this video, we'll break down the biggest factors that impact furnace replacement costs so you can understand where your home likely falls before getting a quote.
Get Eco.
Hi, I'm Jacob with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. We replace furnaces in homes every day, and one of the most common questions we hear is, why does this furnace replacement cost so much? And what actually affects the price? This video is designed to answer that question honestly, so you can make an informed decision and avoid surprises later. Most furnace replacements fall within a broad range, typically between $7,000 to $12,000, depending on several factors. If you see a price far outside that range, it usually means something specific about that home or system. One of the biggest cost drivers is the type of furnace and its efficiency rating. Standard efficiency furnaces generally cost less upfront. High efficiency furnaces cost more but can reduce energy usage. High efficiency often means more complex installation, venting changes, or condensate management, all of which affect the installation price as well as an increased equipment cost. Furnaces are sized based on the home, not chosen off the shelf. A system that's too small won't heat properly, and one that's too large can cause comfort and efficiency issues. Larger homes or poorly insulated homes often require larger systems, which increases cost. Two furnace replacements that look identical on paper can have very different installation costs. Factors that affect this can include accessibility of the furnace, modifications to ductwork, venting changes, electrical or gas line adjustments. The more changes that are required, the higher the overall investment. Many furnace replacements involve more than just the furnace itself. These may include a new thermostat, air filtration or indoor air quality upgrades, or code-required safety components. And these aren't always optional, especially in older homes. A professionally installed furnace includes more than just equipment. Labor, permits, inspections, warranties, and proper commissioning are all part of doing the job correctly and safely. This is often where cheaper quotes cut corners. So why isn't cheaper always better? Lower prices often mean lower efficiency equipment, shorter warranties, minimal system testing, or limited post-installation support. Furnace replacement isn't just about today's price. It's about long-term comfort, safety, and reliability. One common misconception is that a furnace replacement always includes major ductwork or home modifications. In reality, those are separate discussions and only necessary in certain situations. This is why a proper home evaluation matters. If you're considering replacing your furnace, the next step is a home evaluation. That allows us to look at your existing system, your home's layout, and your comfort goals to give you accurate options, not guesses. You can learn more or schedule that visit at geteco.com. A furnace replacement is a major decision, and understanding the cost ahead of time helps you make the right choice for your home. Thanks for watching. We look forward to helping you stay comfortable, and we'll see you next time.